Turuan kita kung paano magkabit ha. Kailangan nakaangat yung kamay, naka-expose yung kilikili. Tapos, yung mirror mo nakalagay dito sa chin. Chin up, and then look down. The view that you should see is the tight line. The glue works like rugby. Masapol nga ag dry, tapno it's gonna get tacky before it gets sticky. So you have to wait for like around 2 to 3 minutes, which is enough time because I'm already doing this demo anyway. So again, you have to lift your hands. Kasi kung hindi nakalift yung hands mo, pakasta, wano pakasta is wrong. It needs to come from above. So you're gonna attach it first at the center, malapit na malapit doon sa balat. Okay, center muna, no? Makitam? Okay. Once na ma-attach mo siya dun sa center, i-adjust mo siya dun sa sides. Again, really close to where your lashes are growing sa balat. And then, attach it at the inner corner. This should help open your eyes. Kita man. Makit-kitam, see?